Good morning. Today we're at the STEAM Unity Expo that we have had now for 3 years, and our main purposes here today are to inspire our students for STEAM related careers. Millions of jobs go unfilled across the nation because we don't have enough students or enough graduates to fill those jobs. And so we have 65 vendors here today, plus many of our schools are represented with booths interactive for students to think about coding, robotics, everything related to the STEAM fields.
The most interesting thing I saw is when there's a little tablet screen in the hallway and you get to play a little air hockey game.
So we're excited to see what our students will do in the future, and hopefully that inspiration will start here.